Hello, my name is Barbara Kleeb. I really love this place. Such a beautiful place at the Lake of Zurich. The beauty of this place comes from the interaction of nature and geometry. Geometry is linked to maths. Maths are present in music, and geometry is also present in architecture and stuff, but also in nature, like the flowers and the leaves. They have their special patterns, so you can recognize them. And this space brings the beauty of nature together with the mathematical beauty of the architecture, the water and the stone. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ciao!